friends, Julie here, and today I am getting packed to get ready for my next bike tour to Turkey. My partner Michael and I leave in 3 days, and today I'm gonna get all my stuff packed up and put it on my bike, and we're gonna head out for a training ride. Should I have done all of this sooner? Yes, absolutely. But work, stuff, etc., you know how it is. The fact is, we're getting it done, so let's go. In order to get started packing, I go back to my old packing list from my European bike tour, which I will link below, and I use that as my jumping off point to pick out the items I need and figure out what I'm missing or want to add or remove. Then it's time to start laying out all my stuff and seeing what I'm working with. Taking a brief pause to figure out if you can fly with lighters. It looks like from the internet that you can, as long as they're disposable or Zippo type lighters, and that you carry them in your carry-on. All right, let's go with that. Okay, I feel like I have made some solid progress here. I still need to assemble my bike gear, like my repair kit and my lights and all that stuff, and I also need to assemble my electronics. But we are burning daylight and we want to get out there for our test ride, so I'm going to put some of these things into my bags, practice getting all my bags on my bike, hit the road, and I'll finish this later. Time to stick some stuff in my new bags. I hope you are all enjoying my very stylish attire of Christmas PJ pants and climbing shirt. It's a Sunday morning. It's just how it is. All right, let's stuff some big bulky things in here. Still learning how to work these. Something like that. And I've added fork bags for this tour, which I've never had before, and I really have no idea what I'm gonna put in them versus my panniers, but let's just stuff some stuff in them and then I guess I'll figure it out on tour. Looks pretty secure. Getting new panniers properly situated on a back rack is always a bit of a challenge. Okay, let's try this out. Looks pretty good to me. My bags are on. The last thing I need to do is switch my saddle, which you're not supposed to switch your saddle 3 days before a tour, but I've been trying to get a comfortable saddle and really struggling to find a saddle that is comfortable in the more upright position I'm now in. I used to always ride in drop bars, and with the butterfly bars, finding a saddle feels hard. A local bike shop basically does Brooks saddle rentals, so I'm able to try this. So I'm gonna put this on, do this test ride with it, and if it doesn't work, I'll go back to my other saddle, but one last try for comfort. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, Michael's so speedy, he's already outside, so I gotta hustle. All right, time for you to get packed up. Let's go. I think I have so many bags to choose from. mostly ate ice cream. So one last thing we need to do is set up our tent. Make sure it's working. It's new.
Big Agnes, copper spur, HV. What's HV again?
No, I forget. That's ultralight.
Ultralight, 3-person, bikepacking version.
So, gonna make sure all the pieces are there and that we know how to set it up. Let's go. Welcome to our little home. You'll see our vehicles parked out front. It took us, how long did it take us to set up?
Maybe 15 minutes?
Yeah.
10, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Too long for the, but like we'll get better. That's the first run, you know?
Yeah. And I think that's a good reminder of why you always try to set up a tent before you leave so that you're not doing that in the middle of the wilderness.
Mm-hmm.
So welcome to our home. Very spacious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Room for a couple people. Whole lot of bags. Some pockets. Not too shabby.
Looks like a tent.
Looks like a tent. I am back to this explosion. What a day. I still have to assemble those last little bits of gear. We tested our tent. That went great. Tested our bikes. Mostly went pretty smoothly. Tested our bags. All good there. In terms of testing out the Brooks saddle, I think it's gonna be what I go with. It's super firm and that's gonna be kind of uncomfortable to get used to, but overall I think it's given me a lot more support than the saddles I had before. It is supremely inadvisable to change a saddle 3 days before a tour, but it's kind of my only option right now. So I'm gonna make the switch. I'm gonna try to take it easy when we get to Turkey, start my mileage slowly, and hope for the best. You saying hi? Okay, time for me to finish up my packing, probably get this one some dinner. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video in Turkey. Until then, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Thanks for being here. Have a good one. Bye.